Hi, this is Ian Thompson at RE/MAX here on Vancouver Island. Hey, sun shines out and we're super excited today. But first, a question. What's one of the hardest things to find in the real estate market right now? It has to be a single family home in North Nanaimo with a suite under $900,000. Ta-da! Today we have one on Hammond Bay Road. Great layout, 3 bedrooms up, nice hardwood floors with an ocean view. Downstairs, a vacant 2-bed suite that's just been professionally painted. Now the reason I like that is a lot of blended families today with prices where they are, so it's got direct access. Or you could have some older students, maybe going to VIU, or you can open it up and use the whole house. Let's have a look inside. So let's recap the highlights. A super clean home on Hammond Bay Road. So close to everything. And don't forget that new Rutherford Elementary school is opening up this fall. That'd be nice if you've got kids. RV parking, nice wood floors upstairs. It's a pretty good opportunity. And hey, ocean view as well. Call your agent to book a viewing today at this wonderful home on Hammond Bay Road.